Hello everyone, welcome to PyTech, where we go high-tech with Python.
In order to program with Python, you first need to install Python. So, today I will show you how to install Python, and along with Python, I will show you how to install an IDE. First of all, we go to our browser. Next, we go to python.org. Then, we go to the download section and download for Windows. If you have a Mac, go over to macOS, click on it, and it will pop up this. Click the latest Python 3 release because Python 2 is now no longer supported. Next, we just click Run here. Alright, so now we have the installer up. We can click Install Now. It will ask you to make changes to your device. Click Yes, and just let it do its thing. I will see you when this finishes. Okay, welcome back guys. As you can see here, the setup was successful. We will just click close and then we'll proceed on to the next step. Okay, after you've finished installing Python, let's first test that Python actually works. So, go to your folder, then click on this PC, your local disk, go to users, click on your username, then go to app data. In app data, go on to local, then go to programs, go to Python, the Python 38-32, then double click on Python. This is now the Python interpreter. You could try with a simple print statement like this, click enter, and it should return back hello world. If this works, it means that your Python has been installed properly. So we can just go ahead and exit from that. Now we can go on to install an IDE. So first, a little disclaimer. I am not affiliated with PyCharm. I am only recommending PyCharm because that is what I use. There are also different other alternatives to PyCharm. You can find the links to both PyCharm and the Python website in the description below. So, next we will be installing our IDE. An IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. An IDE allows you to write multiple lines of code and then execute all of them at the same time, unlike what we did just now, which is running each code line by line. So, we will go to www.jetbrains.com/pycharm/download. Next, we click on Download the Community Edition. The Community Edition is free and open source, so it's free forever. Then after that, click on Run. Okay, so again, it will now ask you to make changes to your device. Click Yes, and then click Next. Find the place you want to install it. If you don't have multiple drives, just go ahead. You can either select to make a desktop shortcut, add open folder as project. I recommend you turn this on. Also, create association with .py. So every time you click a .py file, it will open up in here. Then click next. Just click next and let it do its thing. I'll see you after this. Alright, now as you can see, it has finished installing, so just click on finish. Okay, now we are ready to use PyCharm. Alright, so now that we have installed PyCharm, we can pull it out of the start menu by searching PyCharm, open it, and I'll see you again when it opens up. Okay, now that it's opened up, we first have to accept this privacy policy. Alright, so this is the first time setup for PyCharm. I prefer the dark theme, so I'll just open it with Dracula as the theme. Click next and click start. Okay, next we'll see this page. Click on create new project to create a new project. Okay, so this is where you set your name. You can put any name you want for the project name. I'll just call this YT. Then PyCharm will search for an interpreter. Python, if installed correctly, would be detected by PyCharm, as you can see here. Next, click Create. PyCharm will load all the necessary Python components into itself so you can have a seamless experience. If you like tips, you can read through this first, or you can click Close. Alright, after everything has finished loading, you can see here that we have the Projects tab. This folder is your project folder. So, let's make a Python file. You right-click on the folder, go to New, and mouse over to Python file. Click on it. Name your file anything you want. I'll call mine Hello World. Press enter. Now, as you can see, we are now in a file called Hello World. So now to check if Python works properly in PyCharm, write another print statement. So print, open parentheses, hello world. Now, to run this file, you have to first press Control, Shift, and F10. Or, alternatively, you can right-click on the file and click on Run File in Python console. Window Defender Firewall might come up. If you are in a private network, click Allow Access. Now, you should see that it printed out Hello World. This is what we expect. So, if it comes out like this, Python is working properly. That's all I have for you all today. Thank you for watching, and please hit the subscribe button and click the notification icon to be notified when I upload a new video.